Alright, open from the top, feet and remote for the massager. Okay. And here's the back and the hookups. So the base is going to be the heavy part. Probably best to walk it out. Maybe the little side flares for the back. Some instructions. Let's get this box out of here. It also has a power wire. Actually, a little more comfortable than I expected. The butt's real bouncy. Back's firm and supportive. Kind of wish there was something where my shoulders are though. Yeah. Let's see the reclination. Oh shit. I'll take a nap. I mean, laying flat, the lumbar pillow is like deep inside my ass or back or whatever. I don't think it's really made for that. Right here though, it's nice. Shoulders are all in here comfy, neck is supported, lower back is supported, there's not a huge gap back here. I feel like I could sit up a little more actually. I'm quite impressed. I mean, for under $200, I mean, it wasn't even $150. Okay, $119, $129. That's super good. Arms are a little hard. Like, I mean, they're not hard, but They're firm. They're not squishy. But there, you can tell there's wood under there. If you push hard enough. But I think just average pressure, you're good. If you're sitting up and trying to play a game, I mean, I think they could be a little higher. I might mod them up. We'll see.
Well, thanks for watching. My first impressions of the chair are quite good. It's very comfortable and stable. I'll do a full review once I get some more time with the chair. I'm also working on a mod to lift the seat height up and add some wheels. So subscribe to see that. And drop a like, help keep me motivated to make some more videos. Peace.